Good afternoon. Today is Sunday, January 14, 2024, and here are the 3 p.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sur 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Sunday, January 14, 2024. Here are the SL Sur 3 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for January 14, 2024, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for January 14, 2024, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.